friends, how you doing? This is Romeo the Professor. So I'm in my Coinbase account. I want to talk to you regarding one specific coin. The coin is called PlayDapp. That's PLAY DApp. Currently, if you look at the week, it did about 123%. If you look at the month, it did about 500%. So what that means, if you go and look at the market cap right here, see the market cap is right around 185 million. So that means the 500% is, it was right around 30 million, and it kept going up for the last month. Okay, now I'm going to show you, I'm going to buy this token right now, buy $1 worth, not $1 worth, but you understand, $1,000 worth. However, I will be loading up on this coin. See, $1,000. Okay, you can find this coin on Coinbase Pro or on Coinbase. I'm buying it on Coinbase. I know if you buy it on Coinbase Pro, the fees will be less. So I'm telling that for people that buys coins. Okay, so now you can also get off Trust Wallet off of Uniswap. Okay, I have it there also. So let me tell you about this coin. Play is an Ethereum token, which is good, that powers the PlayDapp. It's a blockchain gaming platform, a non-fungible token marketplace where you can buy different animals for the game. It acts as a primary token for processing transactions on the PlayDapp. And game developers can also receive play when users make in-game purchases. Okay, so now I believe that the market cap will get up to right around 400 million, and then stay right around that for about a while. I think that will be the major resistance. So when I go to the online, their official website is PlayDapp, and they say we have developed a blockchain based game that everyone can enjoy. What we do, they say PlayDapp wants to bring non-crypto game users, which is a great thing, into blockchain gamer users through the PlayDapp service platform. PlayDapp will provide various blockchain network and game dApps to allow more users to play games on the dApp. Okay, so here's the NFT, and here's more information about it. Now, if I go back and we look at all-time high, if I click the all-time high right here, you'll see that PlayDapp in 2020, the last months, like around September, October, it came about. Then it went right around April to 67 cents, and right now it hit its all-time high of 121. Now it did hit 10 cents, and then now it's just exploding. Okay, so if we look at the daily, it already did 63%. If we look at the hour, it did pull back about 5%. So that's why I just now put 1,000 in it. I believe that if we look at the weekly, it's at 127. I see it doing another 50 to 70%. Okay, my name is Romeo the Professor. I believe in this coin. Again, I'm going to show you the coin. Sorry about that. That's not what I want to show you. It's called PlayDapp right here. And if you look on Coinbase, they have a 85% buy for it right now. And I like that coin. I like anything that's in the NFT space. Follow me, subscribe if you haven't also. I like anything that's in the NFT gaming space. I believe gaming will be exploding in the next 24 months. Okay, I am Romeo the Professor. So again, you can buy this coin on Coinbase, which I just now did, Coinbase Pro, or you can use MetaMask through Uniswap, or you can use Trust Wallet and buy through Uniswap. Thank you.